Alright, I'm going to do a video on permutations. This is a topic you normally study in probability, and permutations are the number of ways objects can be arranged. And if you take a look at the way you can arrange the letters in ABC, you'll get ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, and then CAB and CBA. And there's 6 different arrangements. And the reason why is because you have 3 choices for your first letter. And in this case it's ABC. And then you only have 2 choices after that, and you have 1 choice after that, which gives you a total of 6 choices. There's a special way of looking at that. And so if you look at my name, if you look at my last name, it's Omura, which is O-M-U-R-A. And so if I want to arrange these letters, I'd say, well, I have 5 letters for my first choice, 4 for my second, 3 for my third, 2 for my fourth, and only 1 chance at the end. And when you multiply 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, you'll get 120 different ways to write my name. There's a special word for this, and we call it factorial. So if you did 5 factorial, that means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which, like I said before, is 120. You can actually do this on your calculator, and what you would do is you'd press 5, and then you go to you go to math rather. You go over to probability, and you select number 4. Oh goodness me, it didn't work. So let's try that again. You get 5, press math, go over to probability, select number 4, and you get 120. If we were to look at my first name, which is Peter, you'll see that the e's repeat. So although it's still 5 factorial, you need to account for the repetition of the e's. So I had to divide by 2 factorial. And that really looks like 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1. Well, that will cancel out. I get 5 times 4, which is 20, times 3, which is 60. Alright, I'm going to get more into permutations now. Let's say I had 10 students, and they all want to go to the water fountain to get a drink. Well, I'd say there's 10 kids, and 10 of them want to get a drink, and I'm going to send all 10 of them out, so that's really the same as 10 factorial, which is going to be a huge number. So once again, I go to 10, go to math, I go down to the 4th one, and I press enter, and it's this number here, which is 3,628,800. And that's obviously a lot. Well, let's say I said, well, I don't want to send all the kids out at once. I'm going to send out 2. So I have 10 children, I'm going to send out 2 of them. Well, that really means 10 times 9, because I have 10 children, but I only have 2 factors. So it's 10 times 9, which is 90 different ways I could do that. And here, what you do is you go to 10, I press math, and I select number 2, and then 2. So the 10 represents the n, the p represents permutations, and the r represents 2. And sure enough, you get 90. I want to point out that this does not account for, let's say I had Benji and Phoebe, who are in this room so you can hear them. Benji and Phoebe in my class. This 90 takes into account that Benji got a drink first and then Phoebe, but it also includes Phoebe getting a drink first and then Benji. I hope this helps. I'm going to stop this video so you don't have to listen to my crying children anymore.